Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, for those of you joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we'll be analyzing the markets one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way others have been doing. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and this has been on downtrend since morning. It came to an end at this support zone. Right from there, it is now going back into a buy trend, but it needs to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just where we have seen it, these have been on a very strong uptrend, buying and buying and buying. Okay, but at this stage it has got into this particular resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will go back on sell trend. If, of course, it is preparing for the sell trend, but it needs we need to be sure that it's not going to break out above this resistance zone before it starts selling. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above it. That is when it will start selling. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This had been on downtrend for a very long time. It has got into this support zone, so it will start buying right from here. So this is should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500. Just where we have seen it, this has been on a very strong uptrend, even played around there for a while, but it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above this particular resistance zone. Okay, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset, which is going to be the last one for today, is going to be volatility 75. So let's see it right away. This is volatility 75, and this had been on a very strong uptrend, but it has got into this resistance zone, so it will be selling more at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, for those of you that are joining us for the first time, this is Qora Digital Cash, and of course you can take your time to browse through the channel to understand how the strategies work before you dive into it. Okay, but for those of you that will be trading tonight, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply it carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.